Okay, welcome back. This is Mr. Velez. How are you doing today? So this is part four on Song Maker. We did part one. We did part which is A. We did part two, which is B. And then in video three, we combine those two together. Now we're gonna copy part A exactly the same, and we're gonna create a part C. So we are then almost done with this series. So if you have missed the previous video, go and check it out. Remember that you can find my website by just typing Mr. Velez and then go to Mr. Velez Virtual Music and then go to Music Tech, Chrome Music Lab, and Songmaker Intro. Here you have the link and the videos, and I'm gonna be posting more videos later. So let's go ahead and copy section A. So I'm gonna put this. You're gonna take a screenshot in your system, whatever it is, a Chromebook, a computer. I have right now a computer, so this is my way to take a screenshot. So you have to find out how can you take a screenshot in your device, a Chromebook, tablet, or computer. Find out, just Google it, take a screenshot. I'm taking a screenshot, and then find it, whatever it is. Mine should be here. See, it's coming. So I'm gonna make double window because I'm gonna copy that on. This is my section B, and I just added already. I went and add more bars. I added 4 more bars for my section A that I'm gonna repeat. So remember, you have your section A 4 bars or measure, and your section B for measure. And yeah, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I started to copy. Already started out, so let's check it out. You can make it smaller and adjust your window, whatever you need to do. And you're gonna copy your section A exactly the same. So I know that the drums is the same. And at the end I did a little variation. So I'm gonna copy this onto this. Exactly the same. I know it's here and here. Let me double check. This is my bar number 3. So you have white, white, gray. So it's measure 1, measure 2, measure 3, measure 4. So this is, I'm here. I need to base. You can see it here to base. And then the last measure, I have 2 bass also in here to bass. And then I have 2 snare at the end. See? Gonna copy the same. That's why your section A or B has to be something that is, good, that you can sing along, hum along, something that is flowing, that easy to memorize. Because you're gonna repeat that part again, see? I'm repeating exactly the same. And then I have there C, C. Remember, C is red. And I am now in the white, see? In the white. I have this purple. Exactly the same. I'm almost done. Because this program doesn't have the copy paste ability. There you go. So now I have my B, my A and B section, and A again completed. Let's take a listen. Okay, so now we're gonna do part C. Let's welcome part C. Let's add more bars. We're gonna add 4 more bars. So gonna do drums first. I always like to do a drum, but you can start with the melody and then do the drums. But I like to start with the drum because it's laying the foundation. Da, da, da. Let's check. Da. Mm, da, da, da. Okay, so I'm gonna go with this pattern. Then I'm gonna copy that. And copy that. And at the end, as always, I'm gonna do more drums, a more snare. And then the melody. Um, something I started with C, then part B. I think I started in. So this is my A. This is I started in F, C, D, E, F. How about let's do some A. Da da da. Da da da, and then da 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 da. I'm gonna try to do the same pattern. And then I'm gonna do a walk down. Da, 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 da. And then I'm gonna listen everything and I'm gonna check if this make any sense. Part 2. Kind of maybe more at the end. Ta-na-na-na-na. Ta-na-na-na-na-na. And I think that's gonna do it. So you can keep working and doing more variation. Maybe we can change and make more movement and listen back again. And let's check it out for last time. A. And then C. There you go. I like that part. Okay, see, it's a lot of experimentation. The technique here in the drums is that I kept this one in beat 4. Remember, snare usually go on 2 and 4. Here I break the rule, but then here I kept the snare in 4, and that helped to keep that nice steady rhythm. And see the variation here came really nice. So once you have your melody, you can then change a couple of notes to make it even better. Then Don't forget to save it. Copy the link. Go to your master document. And now I'm gonna add A. This is my song A, B, A, C. And I'm gonna copy the link by holding Control, pressing B at the same time. Click enter. It's gonna turn blue with the underline. And then you can post it on your whatever classroom and assignment it is. Okay, so I think that's all for this awesome series that we started with melody, a basic drum, doing those part A, B, A, C, and A will repeat the same. So hope this was helpful. Please smash the like. Thank you so much, and see you in the next series. See you. Bye. If you have any question, leave a comment down below, and I'm gonna answer as soon as possible. Bye.